Pidon kam nong shondur ne nong ringdur hakijing kawai jongpi ne kijing kendu sa kan mau jongpi phun shengi ngin penle mangi katkum kajing kwa jongpi kador gababit la kadai mensi ne menmin pranyo lai ariwei sau iwei Banang pentikna Iaka Nangkyntiew ki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei hapo kejela Menteri Sarkar Bhoi katanan ki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei uba pol lengdo habakran hakilat pasai khubor hadin ngejing pelai Pynbha Iaka almanak lane ka tourism calendar ula pentip bala Nangkyntiew ki kam Jngohkai Pyrthei hapo kejela haki babun bynta nadu ke jingnang penbun yaki homestay lani ki jaka summit jong ki break bawan Shanghai pengan nanta ke jingya chat yaki jingte jong ki arteli 5-star hotel han Nongpoh ke jing penhe ya ke Shillong airport kabaran ha umroi Bhoi district berkejingbu yaki Tamasa bahe ki bakenthum ya ke cherry blossom festival bat ka migong festival kindang la Shuh ban kring yaki nong Jngohkai Pyrthei ban 1 poi hapo jela Meghalaya bat kane kan penmentoy yaki Pynbha ka jela haga kam gajam ka kamai gaji bat kiwai
First, let me also update you on cherry blossom. I'm joined by our director tourism, Bhoi and Jason Manners, who has been with Roxky, part of the organization, which has partnered with tourism department over the past many editions of cherry blossom. So this time around, as you are aware, the festival will be held at Shillong at the JN Stadium in order to give visitors to the festival a different feel altogether, where there will be a walk-in facility and the entire stretch of the road leading to Polo Ground will be pedestrianized throughout the 2 days of the festival. And also we will have various stalls and displays as one walks towards the stadium. So for day one of cherry blossom, as you are aware, I had made the announcement that we have Jason Dorolo and the script who will be headlining on day one. Apart from that, a very well-known Moroccan-based performer, Nora Pyrthei, has also confirmed her participation and performance on day one of Cherry Blossom 2025. She has a huge fan following in India, and her most known stage performance so far has been a performance at the FIFA World Cup held at Qatar in 2022. Cherry Blossom will be her first Indian show. For day two, we are in the negotiation stage with a few artists. We will be sharing information with you in the next 10 days. Hence, we will begin with the formal launch of Meghalaya's Autumn Calendar 2025, highlighting various upcoming events as part of our continued effort to elevate tourism as a sector. So we have the Mega Kayak Festival, October 14 to 18, the 7th Ahor 4x4 Off-Road Challenge, October 23rd till 25th, the Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, November 14 till 15, Shillong Lit Fest, November 20th till the 22nd, Megong Festival, November 28 and 29, and Winter Tales, December 11th till 13.
Pidon kam projector ban peni film ne pidon kam projector nak bentai ki awareness program jongpi phun sengi ni ai wai shapi pran nyau lai wei khandai hendru wei ar nyau lai